People of different continents and countries differ in appearance and form races. The human race is a group of people that has formed historically and has common hereditary characteristics: the color of eyes, skin, hair, shape of eyes, shape of the head, and skeleton. Previously, people were classified as yellow, white, and black, and in the year 1776, Johann Friedrich Blumenbach introduced the modern names of races: Caucasian race, Mongoloid race, and Negroid race. Today, scientists identify four main human races: Caucasian, Mongoloid, Australo-Melanesians, and Ethiopian, formerly Negroid. The Caucasian race, or the white race, is common on all inhabited continents. It is about 45% of the entire human population. The race includes people believed to have originated in the Caucasus region and includes Europeans, Indians, Persians, and Arabs. In Caucasians, the color of skin, hair, and eyes varies from very light shades in northern groups to very dark in southern and eastern groups. Hair is straight or wavy and soft. The face is elongated. The cut of the eyes is always wide. The nose is large, sharply protruding, sometimes with a hump. The bridge of the nose is high. The mouth is not wide. The thickness of the lips is small or average. The build is average, and the hand and foot are wide. A common mistake is to think that these are only white people. In fact, about 1 billion autochthonous Caucasians have black eyes, black hair, and dark skin. For example, the population of Hindustan and North Africa. The Mongoloid race is one of the greatest races of mankind, accounting for 1/4 of the Earth's population. It covers indigenous people of North, Central, East, Southeast Asia, North, and South America. Accordingly, representatives of the Mongoloid race are called Mongoloids. The following are characteristic features of Mongoloids: dark light skin pigmentation, a low profile, broad face, protruding cheekbones with fat pads, protection of the eyes from increased insolation, dust, for which a narrow cut of the eyelids, an additional fold, epicanthus, dark iris, thick eyelashes, long, straight, hard, and dark hair, weak hair cover on the face and body. The Ethiopian or Negroid great race comprises less than 10% of the Earth's population. It was formed in Africa south of the Sahara in conditions of hot and humid climate with increased solar radiation. Many of them live in America, but there are non-native inhabitants and the descendants of Negro slaves who were taken from Africa in the 16th through 18th century. Australia is also the homeland of the equatorial or Negroid race. Peoples of this race are concentrated in the equatorial regions and only partially in the temperate zones of the Earth. Representatives of the Negroid or Ethiopian race are characterized by dark brown or black skin color, brown eyes, large teeth, black, curly or wavy hair, large thick lips and a wide nose, sometimes a forward protrusion of the upper jaw. About 170 million people belong to the Ethiopian race. Ethiopian racial characteristics are most pronounced in the African population living in the south of Sahara. The Australo-Melanesians or Oceanic great race is widespread in Southeast and East Asia and in Oceania. Representatives of the race are characterized by a dark skin color, a wide nose with a relatively high bridge of the nose, thick lips, and prognathism. Strong brow ridges, big jaws, big teeth, a short neck, significant pigmentation of the skin, hair, and eyes, and deeply set eyes. Height is above average and tall. Very elongated physique. In contrast to African blacks, the Australian race is characterized by wavy hair and a highly developed tertiary hair cover, strong beard and mustache growth,
a special direction of hair growth on the body. Scientists also distinguish mixed races, which are formed as a result of the fusion of the main races of people. The most common are mulatto, mestizo, and Zambo races. A Ukrainian, Nicholas Miklauho-Miklay, made a great contribution to the justification of the equality of races and peoples. He proved that a person's ability to mental and physical work does not depend on what race he belongs to. Any nation can successfully develop its culture, science, and economy.